Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a token on Figma. So if you need a new token to generate it, it's super easy. Click your account on the upper left and click on the settings. Under the settings, click on security. Scroll down and here you'll find personal access tokens. You can click generate a new token. Choose time. So if you want the expiration days to be up to 90 days, you can select that. And you can choose the scope as well, the user or read or whatever access right you want to go ahead and give to them. You can go ahead and do that. Right, so you set those permissions, whatever you want, files, all of these things. Scroll down, you can choose design system. You can choose whatever you need to. I'm going to go ahead and make some random selections right here. And then once you're done, you simply go ahead and click on create. But you have to ensure that you have the correct details filled in that you need to. Also want to give your token a name, so I'm going to call this one test and click on create or generate token. You can see right here that the token is generated and I have the details of the token here. I can copy that. But that's pretty much it, guys.